Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm not just wearing a scarf today, although it is cold outside. I'm going to try an acrylic pour blindfolded. Why? I don't know. It sounds fun. So we're going to give it a go. I don't actually have a blindfold, so I stole my daughter's scarf. So I guess we're going to get started. I can't see anything. FYI. Alright. This is an 11 by 14 canvas. I have a lowly Vefe bowl. Now, I do have different size bottles, so that is going to cheat a little bit, but I'm going to not really be aware of what colors I'm putting in here. I do know that I need to fully fill this. I don't know, did I pour any out? I need to fill this bowl up. So, we'll see what happens. Okay, don't peek, Marcy. Don't peek. I'm going to try to not put too much black, you guys, but no promises. Alright, so hopefully it's getting in the bowl. I don't know. This seemed like a good idea a while ago. I don't know. So we'll put that as a maybe over here. Okay, let's go with some of the littler guys. This one's almost empty, whatever it is. So, get out. That may or may not have gone in there. How am I doing, camera guy? Am I doing okay?
It's definitely happening.
Okay, good. Is paint getting in the bowl? That's my question. Okay, I know this one is bronze, so that's a little bit of a cheat because it has a different size bottle. I think that one's pretty empty now too. Just one more big one. Okay. All right. I'm trying to like gauge the fullness with my hand. Well, I'll get a lot of whatever color that is. Tell me when my cup is full.
You want me to?
Is it full?
Oh, it's full.
Okay. Is it like overly full?
A little.
A little? Okay. That's okay. All right. I think I'm just going to stick with the tried and true. Tree rings. Just trying to find the center of the canvas here. I'm trying to not waste too much paint. Does it look like a murder scene of paint?
It's looking good.
Okay, now we tilt. Now, let's see. No way of knowing. I'll put my hand here, so I guess that will tell me when the paint gets there. I'm sure I'm going to have to do some touch-ups afterwards because I have no way of knowing if I fully covered the canvas, obviously. I'm trying to feel with my gloves on the sides here. Alright, I think that's as good as it gets with the blindfold. So I'm going to take my gloves off so I don't get paint all over the blindfold because it is my daughter's. Heck yeah! I think I nailed that. Nailed it. Okay, so we'll go ahead and I'm just going to get this covered. Like I said, that was fun. I hope you guys have as much fun as I do. And like that came out totally differently than I'm sure it would have if I was looking at it, you know? A little bit left in the cup here. All right. I do appreciate you guys humoring me, watching all my crazy videos. It means a lot to me that you put up with all my weird ideas. Ooh, that's really pretty. I'm gonna save that for later. You guys frequently ask what I do with my acrylic skins because I know I mention it often in my videos. I've done quite a few videos on it, but I'll put a link to one of my recent ones down in the description so you guys can see. Let's see, like something like that. I'm going to let that dry, and that's going to be some really cool projects. Okay. All right. I am super happy with that. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.